been looking for a home that is updated, all the work's been done, and it's on the west side of Casper, well, I found it for you. Hi, my name's Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 215 Astor, near the North Platte River and Oregon Trail School. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a double car garage, and a large lot. Let's go look around. This home is going to feel like your own home right as you step through the door. The vaulted ceilings, the natural light that comes through, the wood beams, the updated lighting. Let's look at the kitchen. If you've seen my other videos, you know how much I love hickory cabinets. There is plenty of storage space, a great pantry. The dining room is attached to the kitchen, as you can see, and there is plenty of space for even a bigger table than what is here. One more thing, for all of you that love gas ranges, y'all tell me that, this has a brand new gas range and tiled backsplash. Spacious hall bath with a surprise. It also doubles as the primary suite bath. This primary suite is spacious and has a walk-in closet and an additional bedroom. The flooring on this level has been replaced. Downstairs, there's more updates and 2 bedrooms in the bathroom. You gotta see this bathroom. This bathroom has been remodeled with a new soaker tub, tile surround, tile floor, the cutest vanity, floating shelves, and of course, a new toilet. Isn't this laundry room the cutest? These 2 bedrooms have garden level windows and are super spacious. And since I mentioned the windows, there are newer Anderson windows throughout this home. Can you imagine sitting on this brand new deck, looking at Casper Mountain, great views, and this lot is almost a 1/4 of an acre. It has new sprinkler system and new grass front and back. It was planted. And there's also a patio if you have more people over. I would love to show you this home, so call or text today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.